Welcome to part two of our mini train series. Part two is the stack. For this part, we will use a couple of new tool, or use one new tool, which is revolve, and then we'll use the hole and chamfer tools as well. And so part two, part four, and part eight are all pretty similar in how you draw them. And a lot of kids will look at this and start out thinking they will need to extrude, and they're not given all of the information that they would need to extrude. And there's some features that would make it kind of difficult to do the extrude. And so, there's a real quick and easy way using revolve. And so I'll show you how to do it. What I'm looking at, I have this shaded profile, and in the videos on part 4 and part 8, you'll see the same thing as well. You're given a shaded profile, and we're given a few extra dimensions, but we're not, we're given everything that we need to draw it. It's just you got to make sure you're looking for the right things. And so what I'm going to draw is, I'll get the highlight turned on. I'm going to draw it where, I'm drawing a profile. I'm not trying to draw the entire stack. I'm only drawing just half of the profile. And then, and you can kind of see it taking place, but no, I'm given all the dimensions here that I need. I know this bottom cylinder, or the bottom part that goes into our train body, is a 1/2 inch in diameter, and so I only need half. So 1/4 inch. I know it's a 1/4 inch high. To the ring here in the mid body, it is a 1.25 inch in diameter, which I will need to know half of that. It is 1.5 inches from the base to that ring, and then it's 1.75 inches to the top, and then from this ring to the top, it tapers in 15 degrees. And so I'll show you how to draw it real quickly and use the dimension tool. So we're going to start 2D sketch. I'm going to use the XY plane, and I'm going to roughly draw out the profile that I need. And like I said, I want to get it pretty close to the right height. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you can see it's starting to take shape. And then I can come back using dimension. I can add my dimensions, and it will start changing the drawing for me. I know from this point to my center point is 1.25 divided by 2. It gave me the, like I said, it gave me the diameter for that. This is 1.5, and then it's 1.75 to the top. And then to get this 15-degree taper, I'm going to add a reference line that is just straight, vertical. And I know it is 15 degrees from this line to that. And so right now it's 35. I'm going to change that to 15. And you can see that now my kind of what I kind of have crudely drawn there is represented here. I have all my dimensions, and then so what we'll do is I'll finish sketch. And so revolve, you need a profile. So we have our profile, and we need an axis to revolve it around. And so we're going to revolve it around this axis there. We hit OK, and you can see now we have the shape of our smokestack. we need to come back and add the hole. I'm going to start a 2D sketch on the top. I don't want to offset. I'm going to add in project geometry, it's always good to have it to project geometry. I'm going to add a point at 0, 0, finish sketch, and then I'm going to create a hole. And so on this hole, and it's already set up, but I'm going to do a simple hole with a counter bore seat. And so that's going to give me the top part here, the top hole. And then I can add the rest of my information. I already have, the top hole is a diameter of 0.875 and a depth of 0.375. The center hole is a max or a total depth of 1.5 inches with a diameter of 0.375. It is flat on the bottom, so I will hit OK. Now the only thing I have left is the optional chamfer 0.01 at 45 degrees at the bottom. Now what that's going to do, it's intended to help if you were to 3D print these, that would help make it easier to place this in that hole on the train body. So chamfer. Now I have some options: distance and angle. Distance is 0.01, angle is 45. I select the edge. If it would, I'll go back 0.01. I want to select that bottom edge, and so now I have a chamfer of on the bottom edge. And so that is part 2, the train body. We'll do part 3 next. We'll do if you have any questions, please let me know. I appreciate you for watching.